Hello and welcome to the Durham Tech Instructional Video Environment, also known as DIVE. My name is Thomas Roberts and I will be your guide through the CTS 130 spreadsheet video series. So with so much to cover, let's dive in. In this video, we're going to be going over templates. I'm going to show you how to find them online and also where they are in the Excel application. We're also going to go over headers and footers. I'm going to show you how to put them in there. I'm actually going to show you two different ways on how to get that done. What you are looking at now is what we call a template. A template in Excel is generally a style guide. Now what they have already set for us in templates is typically the font, the size, the color, and the fields. To get to these templates, you click on File, go to New, and they are listed here. You can scroll down. They have a lot that we could pick, but the one that I chose is the family tree with details, and I got this from a previous version of Windows. Now let's get back to the worksheet by clicking the arrow, and this is what we call a template. I want to show you another way to get templates. As you see, I'm on office.microsoft.com. From here, you click on the Templates tab. The page loads, and under here it says Find templates for your favorite app. So on this website, they have templates for these 5 apps for Microsoft Office. They're all free. So what we're going to do, we're going to go up and we're going to click on Excel. The Excel templates load up. You can click on this arrow. They have more for us. You can click on See All. We're going to click on More here. And the cool thing about getting them from the website is that to the left here, you see that we can download templates from 2013, 2010, 2007, and 2003. And as you scroll down, they have the list of templates here with the year associated with it. So that's just another way to get templates. Now what we have on the screen here is just a little something that I came up with editing the template that we chose. I went ahead and changed it to Sales Champion of the Month. So if you're in an office setting and you want to create a spreadsheet and calculate who will be the Sales Champion of the Month, you could use this template. I have a conversion chart there, so you can even use the if function with it. So we'll type equals if, open parentheses, if J6, which is John's total, is greater than J7, which is Mark's total, we'll say John is the winner. If not, we'll say Mark is the winner. Close the parentheses. And I left out my second quotation, so Excel fixed it for us, and as you see, Mark is the winner. We can go down the line with the same if function that we used from the previous video. Same type of deal. We'll say if that's true, then Steve is the winner. If not, Anna is the winner. And as you see, Steve is the winner. And you can just go down the line and see who ends up being the Sales Champion of the Month based off this conversion chart. That's just one idea that I had that you can use. Now since this is calculated per month, you might want to add a header and a footer so you can see what time and what day you printed this out, so you can see what month it was for. So under page layout and under page setup, we're going to click on this arrow here. We're going to go to the header and footer tab, and this is where you can add a header and footer to your worksheet. This arrow is just a list of suggested things that we should put in our header that Excel gives us. They also have the same suggestions for the footer, but we're not going to use any of those. Let's go to custom header, and here you can edit what you put in the left section, the center, and the right. These buttons up here are things that you can put inside the left section, the center section, or the right section. You can add the time, the file path, the file name. You can even add a picture if you want to put the company logo there. In the left section, let's go ahead, we're going to add the date and the time. And then the center, let's go ahead and add the file name. Let's click OK. We're going to click OK again. And our header has been added. Another way to do this is under the View tab. So we can click on View. And under View, we're going to go to Page Layout. And as you see, they give us a more print preview style to the worksheet. And we have our date and time added to the left, and our company name, which is our file name, in the center. You can click on it to see what exactly you put in your header. Now this is just a way if you want to add a header and a footer to your worksheet, that's how you do it. Another template that I wanted to show that I got straight from Excel is my grocery list. Now we all go to the grocery store and we all get there and forget things that we wanted to get. So this list helps me with my organization. I got it straight from Excel, straight from the templates list, and I edited a few things, but not much because they all pretty much came stock. And it comes with the check boxes to the left, so if you want to check off an item you can. They come with empty fields, that way if you want to add some things while you're out and about, you can go ahead and do that. And I just think it's pretty cool. It's nice and organized. You can also change things from here as well. If you don't eat ground beef and you eat ground turkey, you can come up here, you can change the titles, you can delete some things, you can add some things however you see fit. So this is just another template that I wanted to show you that I personally use from Excel. You have now reached the end of the video. In this video, I showed you about templates. I showed you how to get them in Excel in the new tab and how to get them online. We also went over headers and footers. I showed you how to get them from Page Layout and from View. I want to thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next installment.